Hey there everybody, today we're taking a look at the new Switch OLED. This just released today, released alongside a whole bunch of Pokemon stuff and Metroid Dread, which I'll be playing on stream in just a little bit, but yeah, we're going to take a look at it, we're going to open it up, and then in a separate video I'm going to go over setting up the system from another system, so just like transferring or sharing your profile. But yeah, basically this is a 7-inch OLED 64GB memory system. It's got a dock with a LAN port, and it's got a new updated stand. So it says tabletop mode, TV mode, and handheld mode. Of course, same sort of thing as the previous Switch. Comes with the Switch console, Joy-Con left and right. Mine are the blue and red Joy-Con straps, HDMI cable, Nintendo Switch dock black, and the Joy-Con grips, and an AC adapter. So let's crack into it. Okay, nice packaging. Got the Joy-Con on top. Pull those out. Neon red and blue, same as the other ones. Most likely they come with the updated Joy-Cons. I'm hoping, you know, Joy-Con drift and all that. Then we have the actual Switch proper, which at first glances there's not too much different. That bezel is definitely smaller, I will definitely say that. The grill on top appears to be slightly different. Seems like it'd be a bit sturdier than the previous one. It does seem just overall a lot cleaner. Grills on the bottom are a lot cleaner as well. Two of them. HDMI, well, USB-C port on the bottom as well. Now let's take a look at this. This hinge feels a lot more sturdy. Also, this seems quite nice. SD port tucked away right there. Really easy to get to, but yeah, this hinge, it's a very nice hinge. We'll set that down for right now. Take a look at the rest of the box. So, as with any other system, got your HDMI cable. Got your AC adapter. I believe that this is the same as the others. USB-C. Okay, comes with the controller grip. This is the non-charging. Oh, and also the Joy-Con straps. And then lastly, we have the new dock. It's got some rounded edges and what looks like better spacing in the middle. It is actually different. It's got like a rubberized sort of pad on the bottom as well. On the back, it's got this curved opening rather than a square one. This just comes out rather than just on a hinge. Got your spot for your AC adapter, your HDMI out, and then also the new wired LAN input. And the Switch, of course, will dock right in there. There is slightly more clearance because I know that a lot of people had issues with the fact that the Switch would sort of rub up against this and scratch, but I've got a screen protector regardless, so I'm going to be putting a screen protector on that before it really ever lives inside the dock for any period of time. And I guess that's it. Oh, I was going to say, typically there's some sort of instruction or health and safety thing, but that's in this top portion, but we don't really need that, do we? Anyway, let's get this extra stuff away. I don't really need it right now. Yeah, let's give it a quick boot up. Check out the screen. Power button is slightly more recessed. Which is nice. Oh, that is a nice big screen. Yeah. It's a pretty good look at it. Anyway, like I said, I'm going to go into more depth on the system, specifically on how to transfer everything from one system to another and share your system profile. But yeah, we'll go into that another time. For now, thanks for watching. I love this stand. It actually has a little bit of resistance to it, which means to me that it's going to be nice and stable. Also, the serial number lives underneath the stand. That's really good. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.